I'm Jocelyn Fernando. I'm from the Philippines and I'm a plant mom. I got here way back June 2017. And just after a few days, I started missing home and missing my garden. So I started gardening and I started with bougainvillea and aloe vera because they are outdoor plants that can tolerate the harsh climate. We recycle water bottles and food containers as pots. We also try to make our own pots from cement. My husband is very supportive of my hobby. With some ideas from YouTube, my husband was able to create some shelves and different furnitures. I also learned a lot of ideas from our Facebook group, Gardening Club Qatar. Different members of the club has taught me a lot of techniques and ideas on gardening. And for those who want to start gardening, all I can advise is 1. Start now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Number 2, patience. It takes a lot of patience on gardening. Gardening is a learning process. Number 3, recycle. You don't need to buy pots. You can just use recycled materials like bottles and different containers. It's economical and it will help the environment.